Imagine gliding down the open road in a rolling Scandinavian sanctuary, sleek, stylish, spacious, and smart. This is the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, a game-changer that blends Volvo's precision craftsmanship with plush, high-tech mobile living. Whether you're a die-hard road trip aficionado or someone who appreciates the finer things in life on four wheels, this model promises to redefine what it means to travel in comfort and elegance. Volvo has outdone itself with the 2026 version, taking all the luxury, safety, and sustainability we know the brand for and wrapping it in an innovative, purpose-built form that's as at home in the wilderness as it is on the highway. Let's dive in and explore what makes this motorhome truly special. Now imagine stepping outside. You're greeted by sweeping, aerodynamic lines that echo Volvo's design language but are tailored for the road warrior lifestyle. The exterior design is sleek, with clean surfacing, sculpted contours, and subtle chrome or aluminum accents that catch the light just right. Beautiful LED headlights, borrowed from Volvo's latest SUV family, flare forward while a panoramic windshield gives it a modern, commanding presence. The rear blends utility and elegance, with integrated bike racks or slide-out utility box options discreetly tucked within classy panels. It's a motorhome that doesn't just travel, it stands out but in a refined, Scandinavian cool kind of way. Once inside, the interior is where luxury meets smart design in full force. Think premium materials, soft-touch sustainable fabrics, natural wood veneers, and brushed aluminum trim. The layout is intelligently zoned. A comfy lounge that transforms into a sleeper, a fully stocked kitchen with induction cooktop, convection oven, and cleverly hidden storage, all integrated into sleek cabinetry. Every surface feels intentional, every button thoughtfully placed. Comfort is next level. Ergonomic seating that's just as inviting at the wheel as it is when parked. Ambient lighting sets the mood, while large windows fill the space with warm, natural light. Tech? Absolutely. A central infotainment hub keeps everything. Navigation, climate control, entertainment, charging stations, and even a smart glass window that shades with voice or app input, all at your fingertip. It's clean, user-friendly, and effortless. Under the hood, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is pushing boundaries with versatile powertrain options. First, there's the efficient diesel or hybrid setup. Smooth, torquey, and perfect for long hauls. But for those embracing the future, an electric variant delivers nearly silent propulsion and zero-emission cruising. Performance is robust across the board. Strong low-end torque for easy hill climbs, smooth acceleration whether in full or partial occupancy, and regenerative braking in the EV version to recapture energy on the go. Handling remains stable and composed. Volvo's engineering ensures this rolling home handles like a large luxury vehicle, not a lumbering bot. Now, let's talk where a Volvo motorhome shines: off-road capability. This isn't just about glamping spots, it's about confident travel off the beaten path. Reinforced suspension, increased ground clearance, and optional all-wheel drive keep rough roads from feeling rough at all. You can slide through gravel tracks, navigate uneven terrain, and still enjoy a smooth, secure ride. Add optional all-terrain tires and underbody panels, and you've got an RV that's at home in a national forest clearing as much as it is at a scenic overlook. Adventure doesn't need to stay on pavement, and Volvo has made sure of that. Safety. It's non-negotiable in Volvo's DNA, and this motorhome takes it seriously. The frame includes integrated high-strength steel in key areas to protect occupant. Driver assist features come loaded. Adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking are all part of the package. Even parking a 30-plus foot vehicle feels manageable thanks to sensors and exterior cameras. Optional smart glass can darken to reduce glare and offer privacy while still allowing you to keep an eye on the surroundings. Hands down, this is one of the safest motorhomes you can pilot. Now, let's break down the trim levels and pricing. keeping in mind Volvo's typical approach of clean tiers with clear options. The base model starts at around $180,000, offering the core luxury features, a practical interior layout, and the efficient powertrain. Step up to the mid-trim, and you get leather-like sustainable upholstery, premium audio, extended battery, an EV, and upgraded exterior finish. The top trim is nearly a moving mansion, spa-style bathroom, integrated awning system, solar roof panels, advanced smart home integration, and that EV powertrain tuned for top range. Pricing for this fully loaded version climbs toward $500,000, but what you get is exceptional luxury on the road. YouTube. +1. So what's the final verdict? The 2026 Volvo Motorhome manages to blend Scandinavian elegance, cutting-edge tech, and Volvo's legendary safety into a package that's both functional and aspirational. It drives beautifully, lives comfortably, treads lightly on the planet, and keeps you secure no matter the road. It's rare to see such coherence between design, performance, and lifestyle. Volvo has pulled it off with style. Why does it stand out in its class? Because it doesn't just offer luxury, it offers mindful luxury. It's not a flashy status symbol. It's a thoughtful, intelligent space on wheels, designed for people who care about design, safety, sustainability, and adventure. Whether you're planning cross-country road trips or weekend escapes, this motorhome redefines what comfort and capability on the road can look like. If you've made it this far, thank you for joining me on this journey through Volvo's most ambitious motorhome yet. Hit that like button if you're excited by where RV travel is headed, comment below with your favorite feature, or what you'd love to see next. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews of cutting-edge automotive innovations, and share this video with your road trip buddies or anyone dreaming of a mobile getaway. I can't wait to hear what you think, and remember, the open road is calling with a new kind of luxury.